Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to take a very different way to elevate our privilege to super user or root user. Okay? Of course, I will not cover all steps of the machine. What I'm going to demonstrate is only surrounding the privilege escalation part. Okay? Without further ado, let's just get started. We can switch into the Linux VM. As you can see, we can utilize this exploit to get the initial foothold on the target. Next, I'd like to upgrade or spawn another shell, the Meterpreter session. So how to do? We can use MSF Vulnhub, and I'd like to auto-complete this command. And I will use different port number like 666 and the name preview. All right, it's done. So next, I think we need to upgrade this, not upgrade, upload this file or this payload to the target. We can use wget to do preview. It's done. So maybe, I think it would be better we launch or spawn another normal shell, because as you can see here, this is not a very normal one. And how to do? We can utilize this command, or reverse shell command. Here, as you can see over here, we can copy this command to spawn another normal shell with, although this is not a Meterpreter shell, we can, maybe I think we can copy from here, we can copy, and we can set up the listener, paste in here. Now, I think the shell is much normal, and we can navigate to temp directory, import pty spawn, bash. Okay, so the preview, we need to upload it again. I think this time there will be no problem. We can upload without any issue, and we need to make it executable. And before we execute this payload, we need to set up the handler first, and we can launch our Metasploit console. In the meantime, we can zoom in the terminal, so you can get clear picture or screen. Okay, and we can use exploit multi-handler, and we need to set the payload. Of course, the payload is 60. I cannot remember very clearly. x64 Meterpreter reverse TCP, set localhost to our Linux, set port number to 666. Okay, let's run it, and then we can run this payload. Okay, the Meterpreter session 1 opened, and we can background this Meterpreter session by pressing keys Control and Z, and then we can search the post exploitation module. We can use this module, local exploit suggester, And then we can paste in here. We can show options. We can set the session number 1, and then we can run it. Because at this moment, there is only one session or active session. And as you can see, it's working with the agent, what we've uploaded to the target to collect local exploits for the target. And afterwards, it will do some checks. As you can see here, run a check for discovered exploits. And then we give you the check results. And then we can find appropriate module from the output or from the possible workable exploits. As you can see here, this one appears to be vulnerable, but I think the second one is much more, I think, workable, right? Because this one is vulnerable, not appears. So next, I think we can use this module to elevate a privilege. I think Metasploit is so fantastic, very wonderful, can make things more convenient for us. Of course, you also can, make manual exploitation. Okay, it's done, and then we can use the discovered module, and then we can show options. And of course, we need to set localhost to our Linux. And also we need to set the port number. For example, we set to 99. And also we need to set a session number to 1. And we just run it. So the target is vulnerable. We know that. So the Meterpreter session 2 opened. And the second Meterpreter session is privileged one. It means that it belongs to super user or root user. Okay. For example, we can get the UID root. If you want to get the command shell session, we can go to the ID, go to the root directory, and then we can get out the root flag without any issue. So that's pretty much it. This video is not very long. If you want to, if you want to get the entire video on this machine, you can check it out by yourself. I've already made the video on this machine.